How to export Shopify theme. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to export a Shopify theme. So first of all, log in to the Shopify admin account, and from the dashboard, click on Online Store from the left side. Just wait a moment for the page to load, and once it's open, you'll see the current theme. While in the theme library, you'll also find a list of themes that are uploaded to your Shopify store. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find more popular themes, and you can also visit the theme store to explore more. Once you find the theme that you want to export, select it, and then click on the three dots to open a new menu. From here, select Download Theme File. A message will pop up on the screen stating that your theme file will be emailed to your account's email address. So go ahead and click on the Send Email button. Now head to your email inbox to find the theme file. Here's the email that I just received from Shopify. At the top, you can see a link that says, your theme export is ready to download. Let's click on that, and the file should be downloaded to your local computer. Now let's go to the file download destination, and here you can see the downloaded file. It should come in a zip format, and let's open it to view the theme files. And there you go. The theme has been successfully downloaded. This is how easy it is to download or export a theme file on Shopify. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.